Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see it. An unknown network error has occurred on Instagram, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to open mobile data or cellular data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second, and just turn it off. So after, you can try to restart your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.